Meaning of green-fingered.
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 Green-fingered. The term green-fingered is often used to describe someone who has a natural talent or skill for gardening, horticulture, or growing plants. This person typically possesses a deep understanding of plant care, including knowledge of soil, sunlight, water, and nutrients needed for specific plants to thrive. They also have an inherent ability to recognize and diagnose plant problems, and know how to implement the necessary remedies. A green-fingered individual may demonstrate a passion for gardening and enjoy spending time outdoors, cultivating and nurturing their plants to create beautiful gardens or healthy crops. Overall, being green-fingered implies a natural proficiency and love for all things related to plants.